Hi everyone, Scrapper Green here again. Okay, we're in my garage. I gotta get some things out of here. I need my garage space to put together my trailer for my spring harvest, so to speak. Okay, today to get some of my floor space back, I'm going to be scrapping up a table saw that a friend of mine just dropped off, all broken up, busted up. He didn't need it anymore. But there's a fair bit of aluminum in it, cast aluminum, extruded aluminum. We have electronics and steel. So let's get some gloves on and we'll begin. Alright, so here we go. Here's our table saw. National manufacturer, apparently guaranteed for life. The life is done. Alright, let's take this off. The first thing I did was I took the bolts. You can see that we have iron on this. Let me grab my magnet. A tool like this has got a whole bunch of different alloys and different things on it. So, let's see what we've got. Aluminum. Cast aluminum. Although I can see screws, bolts, all of that's iron. We got to get it off or else the yard's going to call it irony. And irony is just a little bit more than scrap. Steel. Aluminum. Steel. Big motor. Hopefully copper wound, but we'll find out. Got the electronics package there. And everything else looks like steel except for the cord. Okay, sorry, just had a little bit of power failure there. Back again. We're just working some of these bolts off. Holding the cast aluminum from the nice little end rail extrusions. Okay, I've done a breakdown now of the product of the actual saw. It took a fair bit of time to get this copper bearing rotor separated from the gearbox, separated from the cast, separated from the copper bearing windings. All in all, decent project, a lot of cast aluminum, a fair bit of steel as I showed you before on the stand, a pretty heavy duty bucket of other pieces of steel that were holding everything together, decent amount of wire. Inside the switch box there was this little bit of green board, copper bearing motor inside the green board, aluminum's heat sink. Every little bit helps. And there we have it. All in all, this table saw is going to break down into a nice little quick payday for about half an hour worth of enjoyment. Okay, scrappers, be safe. I took my glove off here just to lift up a couple things, but wear your gloves, wear your safety glasses. Take care. Have a good evening. Once again, Scrapper Green, signing off.